90 we have done. The history part I told you that when Portia entered, the Duke tried to convince Shiloh for the mercy, but it did not work. Then came Portia when Duke said that unless and until I don't have a legal lawyer, I cannot proceed the further proceeding of the procedure of the or to defend or to offend the both the parties. Then came Portia along with Narisa as a disguise of a man. Before Portia starts, she introduced the Duke reads out the letter in which it is clearly mentioned that Dr. Bellario is not well and he's sending one of a youth member, and he explains the Duke and requests the Duke that though the person is looking very young, but it has a good experience of all this, all the case of Shylock and Antonio. Now, in everybody tried to convince Shallow, but he was not ready. Now, Portia tried in her own way. So, we are going to read it out and try to understand how Portia tried to convince Shallow. Starting with Portia, the quality of mercy is not strained. Strained means the quality of mercy is not fame. Means somebody if had a quality, nobody can force somebody to have a mercy. वो जो merciness हमारे अंदर होती है वो अपने आप inborn होती है. It's a quality of a person. The quality of a mercy is not strained. It dropped as a gentle rain. It's like a drop of by the God. It's grace of a God that somebody has a full merciful heart in its self. It dropped as a gentle rain from heaven upon the place beneath. The place beneath means it said that it's a gentle raindrop which falls from the heaven to the earth. And when it falls upon somebody, it is twice being blessed. If a person is merciful, he is blessed twice. How it is blessed? One, it blessed him that gives him and that takes him. It is being blessed by twice means एक जो person mercy देता है और जो mercy लेता है उसका वो दोनों ही भगवान की तरफ से they are being blessed. So it blessed him that gives and him that takes. Means the person who gives and the person who receives mercy. This Midas is the Midas. This is the most powerful weapon on this earth. It's Midas is the Midas means it's the most powerful. There is nothing most powerful than being merciful to somebody. It becomes the throne monarch better than his crown. It becomes a monarch means it's better than the person a king who is a very merciful king. It becomes more powerful. Its power become more grandeur. So it is the throne monarch better than his crown. His scriptures show the force of temporal power. Temporal power means the when a king is a very merciful person, so he becomes more powerful. He is being more blessed by the God. He becomes more powerful. Having these weapons in the hand, the mercy which he has, and that makes him more powerful. His scriptures show the force of temporal power. Temporal power means earthly power. The attribute to awe and majesty that attribute the power and the grandeur. It enhances its power, its grandeur if a king is a very merciful person, because mercy is something being blessed by the God, and when it is being blessed by the God, the person himself who gives mercy and who receives mercy both are being really blessed by the God. This is what Portia says to Shiloh, wherein thou sit and dread the fear of king. The main characteristics of king means wherein thou sit and dread the fear of kings is the main characteristics of a king. But mercy is above means having power, grandeur. It's ठीक है वो किंग के पास होती है पावर होती है ग्रैंडियर होता है उसका बहुत वो पावरफुल होता है लेकिन अगर उसके साथ साथ अगर उसके अंदर मर्सीफुल हार्ट है तो ही इज बीइंग मोर ब्लेस्ड ही इज मोर पावरफुल दिस इज व्हाट इज व्हेन डॉट सिट एंड dread the fear of king but mercy is above the scepter sway. Scepter sway means ruled by men with scepter means मतलब कोई और वेपन की जरूरत नहीं है किसी को अगर if he's a person is a merciful person. But mercy is above this sceptred sway, and it is enthroned in the hearts of king. It is an attribute to give God Himself. Means if a person is full of mercy, he is equivalent to God. अगर उसके अंदर वो merciness है और वो एक king है, उसके साथ power भी है, grandeur भी है, तो सब कुछ होने के बाद भी अगर उसके पास ये merciful heart है, it means he is being blessed by the God and he is equal to God. It is an attribute to God Himself. And earthly power doth then shows likest God. The king becomes more divine. It means when he is tempered with mercy, when उसके अंदर जब merciness है तो वो एक becomes a divine person on this earth. When mercy seasons justice, and when जब mercy तब हो जब वो justified mercy हो. That is when mercy seasons with just seasons justice. Therefore, Jew, though justice be thy plea, consider this, and therefore I demand you to have mercy on this person. Means have demand you that in the due name of God, give mercy to this person. मतलब भगवान भी जिन लोगों के अंदर दया की भावना थी, भगवान उसे भी bless करते हैं, उसको भी आशीर्वाद देते हैं. तो I would request that you should have a mercy on this person so that you will be blessed by the God. You demand, but and so she demands the mercy in the by the name of God. That in the course of justice none of us should be see salvation. और अगर हम लोग के अंदर मर्सी नहीं रहेगी, अगर हम लोग हर चीज के लिए एक दूसरे को, अगर देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच वी डज एंड गॉड गिव्स अस द ग्रेस ऑफ इट, या भगवान भी हमें माफ कर देते हैं. अगर हर चीज की सजा अगर मिलने लगी तो मतलब हर किसी को किसी ना किसी चीज की सजा मिलती रहेगी. सो वी नाउ व्हाई नॉट वी बी द डिवाइन ऑन दिस अर्थ, क्यों नहीं हम भी उस तरह से भगवान की वो जो ब्लेस की हुई जो मर्सीफुलनेस है, व्हाई नॉट वी बी मर्सी, व्हाई नॉट वी बी, बिकॉज हम लोग जब हम ऐसी बहुत सी ऐसी गलतियां करते हैं इस धरती पे जो हमें भगवान माफ करता चला जाता है. अगर हमें हर चीज की सजा मिलती रहेगी तो सोचो हम सबको सजा मिलती है, हर कोई किसी ना किसी बात की सजा पाता रहेगा. So she said that in the course of justice none of us should see salvation. मतलब ऐसा कोई इंसान नहीं होगा इस धरती पे जिसने कोई गलत काम नहीं किया होगा और उसको भगवान ने माफ नहीं किया होगा. We do pray for mercy, and that same prayer doth teach us all to render, and we all ask mercy from God. हम लोग अपने जो भी काम करते हैं, we always keep on asking mercy from God. So जब हम when we asking for a mercy, तो we need to have mercy in ourselves to give some to someone else. So she all says this, that when prayer teaches us to give mercy, हम लोग जब भगवान की प्रेयर करते we ask mercy from God, so this gives us if we are asking God to be merciful with us, so we need to be merciful with others too. So the deed of mercy I have spoke thus much to mitigate the justice of thy plea. And this is I am just asking these deeds of mercy. मैं तुम्हें इसलिए ये सारी चीजें बता रही हूँ, so that I spoke thus much to meditate, means to soften the justice. मतलब you are standing here for a justice which is already an injustice to a person, killing somebody and having a pound of flesh from somebody's body. So she demands to be, वो इतनी कुछ है उसको बातें बताती है, and she asks that you need to be, if you asking God to be merciful to you, so you need to be merciful to others. This is what she says. Which is though follow this strict court of Venice. I know that this is the strict law of Venice, that they cannot, the credibility goes down, but still you need to, अगर उसको देखा जाए अगर तो merciful होते हैं and you just leave the bond, तो it will be settled down. But so this is चूंकि ये this is an harsh justice. अगर तुम्हारी justice, तुम्हारी penalty जो तुमने bond में mention की, that bond will be given, that justice will be given to you. It is a very harsh decision given by the court of Venice. So harsh justice is your claim, as for your continue to demand it, and your whatever you are demanding is a harsh justice. तुम जो भी demand कर रहे हो वो that is a very harsh justice to somebody, which if though follow this strict court of Venice must need give sentence against the merchant there. और अगर तुम ऐसा करते हो, and if we demand, if you give mercy, तो it will be a, means it, the court will be no the court has to be very, big. If you are asking for something which is very injustice to a person, and though the court of Venice needs to be have a lot of means they have to be very mercy, मतलब ये बहुत harsh just decision है for a court to take कि person का pound of flesh from its heart to be taken off and to give as a penalty to you. तो ये बहुत बड़ा harsh decision है और कोर्ट उसके अगेंस्ट कुछ नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी इट विल, इफ अगर कोर्ट उसके अगेंस्ट जाता है तो उसकी क्रेडिबिलिटी को इफेक्ट आता है, पीपल विल नॉट ट्रस्ट. लेकिन देयरफॉर शी गिव्स अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सप्लेनेशन कि तुम अपने आप को ही क्यों नहीं चेंज कर लेते हो, बिकॉज शी गिव्स द गॉड ऑफ नेम ऑफ बाय द गॉड बी द मर्सीफुल पर्सन and all. She gives an explanation, but Shylock was adamant he was not ready to change for his bond. He was not a centimeter being affected by any of the demands or any of the things which has been said to him. So this is what she says. I'm repeating it again, 210 line. The deeds of mercy I have spoken thus much to meditate the justice of thy plea. Thy plea means demand. So mitigate means to be softened. You have to be softened by your demand, which if thou follow the strict court of Venice, must need give sentence against the merchant there. So you have to claim, you have to, if you means ask justice of your claim, and for if you want to continue to demand it, this strict court of Venice will have to pass a sentence against the merchant, and this was really will be a very no, cruel justice given by the court. So she gives all explanation to change him. But in response to this, Shylock says, "My deed upon my head. I take the responsibility for what I am doing." He says, जो मेरे को जो चाहिए उसकी पूरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मेरी है, वो कोर्ट पे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, कोर्ट तो सिर्फ वही कर रहा है जो उसे करना था, उसको सिर्फ अपने बॉन्ड के सामने स्ट्रिक्ट रहना और हमें मुझे अपनी जस्टिस दिलाना. सो आई टेक ऑल द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. सो माय deeds upon my head, I carve the law, the penalty and fortified of my bond, and sees that I seek for my penalty. ये तो लॉ को बस मुझे यहाँ पे लॉ के प्रेजेंस में ही मुझे मेरी पेनाल्टी चाहिए. वॉट एवर द बॉन्ड हैज द पेनाल्टी आई नीड इट, एंड आई टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ वॉट एवर इज गोइंग टू हैपन आफ्टर दिस. इट्स ऑल होल माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. Then Portia say, "Is he not able to discharge the money?" Then Portia asks, "Is Antonio not able to pay you the money?" Bassanio, in response to this, Bassanio says, "Yes, here I tender it for him in the court." He said, "Yes, I am ready to pay for him. Means I am here to pay the bond, the money. Yeah, twice the sum, the double amount of the sum. If that will not suffice, if it is not sufficient, I will be bound to pay 10 times more." And he says that if it is not, the double time is not sufficient, I will be paying 10 times more to that bond. On fortified of, and if still it is not sufficient, I fortify of my hands, means I am ready to give my hand, my head, my heart. Bassanio says that I'm going to give the double amount of it, but if it's not sufficient for him, I will give the 10 times more than the bond. And if still he is not satisfied, I'm ready to give my hands, my head, and my heart. Means Bassanio was totally ready to give himself and to save Antonio. If this will not suffice, it must appear that the malice bears down truth. अगर ये भी उसको sufficient नहीं है, तो there is no, means I can overcome, मतलब इस सच्चाई से मुकरा नहीं जा सकता. इतना कुछ देने के बाद भी Shylock is not ready for whatever being offered to him in response, in respect to Antonius. वो तब भी अपने bond को change करने को तैयार नहीं है, is not ready for it. So, and I beseech you, means then he asks for the duke, the court. He beseech means he asks for, he prays that rest once the law to your authority. That if I am ready to give, why not? Everything is in front of that everybody knew that there is injustice going to happen with Antonio, and I am ready to give the 10 times amount which is being asked by Shylock. Along with it, if he wants to satisfy him, I am ready to give my hand, my head, and my body, whatever he wants, I am ready to give that also. But still, he is not satisfied with all these things, so he requests the courts to just bend down the लॉ. तो थोड़ा सा मतलब इतना, आप जब कोर्ट को भी लग रहा है कि ये इनजस्टिस है किसी पर्सन के साथ, तो कोर्ट भी अपने रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस को कौन बेंड ओवर कर सकती है. सो ही आस्क्स दिस टू मॉडिफाई द रूल्स ऑफ द कोर्ट. Rest once the law to your authority to do a great right to a little wrong. And he says that to modify the strict law, he asked the court of justice just to bend the law, because everybody knew that the bond which is written, he wants we are going to give 10 times more, and if you want only the flesh, अगर उसे फ्लैश से ही मतलब है तो आई एम रेडी टू गिव द फ्लैश. लेकिन यहाँ पर सिर्फ बॉन्ड और फ्लैश की बात नहीं है, यहाँ पे इसका अपना खुद का हेट्रेड है फॉर एंटोनियो. So therefore he is not ready to change, so he requests the court to change the law or to bend down the law or to change a few rules of the law. Why? Because to do great right, because it will, if a law of court of justice changes a law, it will be a great means it will be a great right for a little, for a or to do a little wrong. थोड़ा सा अगर किसी इंसान की जान बच जाती है अपनी जस्टिस से, अगर लॉ को थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे करना भी पड़े और उससे किसी की जान बच जाए, तो उससे अच्छी बड़ी बात नहीं हो सकती, उससे अच्छी बात कोई नहीं हो सकती. तो he says to do a great right, to do a little wrong and curb this cruel devil of his will. Curb means to restrain, means for demanding to fulfill his desire. जो उसको डिजायर है, ये कोर्ट भी जानती है कि इनजस्टिस है, इनह्यूमन डिमांड है. सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट द law to just have little change, to change the law, just mold the law and do a little right, do a great right to a little wrong. जो भी गलत हो रहा है वो लॉ चाहे तो अपने आप में थोड़ी सी अपने लॉज को चेंज करके वो एंटोनियो को जस्टिस दिला सकती है. In respect to this, Portia says, it must not be there is no power in Venice can alter a decree established. Then you know it's not, it must not be means it's not possible. In response to this, Portia says there is no power, मतलब Venice, the court of justice is not going to change any of the law. कोई चेंज नहीं करेगी लॉ, कोई बेंड ऑफ रूल नहीं होगा, देयर विल बी नो चेंज. इट मस्ट नॉट बी देयर इज नो पावर इन वेनिस कैन अल्टर अ डिक्री एस्टैब्लिश. डिक्री मींस अ लॉ. तो एस्टैब्लिशमेंट यानी कि जो भी एस्टैब्लिश लॉ है, जो उनका पेपर है, उन लॉ पे जो उनके laws have, that is not going to change for anyone. There will be no change. It will be recorded for a precedent. It will means this, whatever the court of justice will be do, it will be an example in front of others. So they are not going to change any law. मतलब कहने का ये है कि अगर आज थोड़ा सा ये law change होता है तो अगला कोई और वो आएगा तो he will try to mold the law. So there is not going to so court of justice, court of Venice is not going to change any of the law which is being already decided by the court is going to happen. So it will means it will be recorded for a precedent. Precedent means example, and many an error by the same example will rush into the state it cannot be. And then if court is going to change any of the law, so हर दूसरे दिन कोई ना कोई केस आएगा और कुछ ना कुछ होगा और they will keep on molding their own laws. तो वो possible नहीं है. So therefore there is in any of this condition, in any of the state, the court of Venice is not going to change their law. Happily, Shylock responds to a very happy. Daniel came to the judgment yet. Daniel is a Jewish character in the Testament of Bible. There is a Jewish character. So he says that Daniel come to judgment ye a Daniel, and he feels very happy. You know, कि मतलब कोई ऐसा आया जिसके पास जो Daniel means he is known for his wisdom. There's a Daniel, a person in the Testament of the Bible that is considered to be very wise and very judicious kind of person. So he says now the person is saying that when Portia says this lines that the court of Venice is not going to change the law, because once the law will be changed, it will every next day when new cases will come, they will try to change the bend the law of Venice. So court is not going to change any of the law. With happily listening to this, Shylock feels very happy, and at the moment, and he gives a word Daniel to Portia, that this Daniel is a person in the as a Jewish character who is supposed to be very judicious and very wise. So, oh wise young judge, how do I honor thee? And he says, how much I respect you, I don't know, but you are such a great person, you are such an intelligent, such a judicious person. So Portia says, I pray you let me look upon the bond. And she says that kindly let me see the bond. She wanted to have that paper, what is written on the bond. Shylock, here it is, most reverend doctor, here it is. And reverend means respected. Then Portia says, Shylock, there is a thrice thy money offered there. And he said that there is a written that thrice money offered there you. Means it has been offered the price of money, the amount which he has taken. Shylock, an oath means the due time was there, that at the due time he has to return the money, otherwise if the due time passes out, he will have the bond, he has to pay the penalty. So an oath is an oath. Shylock says that I told you in the previous, he said that I have taken an oath in the Shabbat, the pious day on Saturday, that I will be taking the pound of flesh from Antonio, if you remember in the few pages back. So just an oath is an oath. He says that जो मैंने कसम ली है वो मैंने ली है. That I have an oath in heaven. Shall I play perjury upon my soul? Means why should I take a sin of breaking the? मैंने जो कसम खाई है वो मैंने कसम खाई है और बहुत pious day पे कसम खाई थी. तो I am not going to take that sin to break that law. इसलिए मैं वो कसम नहीं तोड़ूंगा और वो पाप नहीं करूंगा. So मेरे को जो मैंने कसम खाई है तो मुझे वही करना है जिसकी मैंने oath ली है. Shall I lay perjury upon my soul? No, not for Venice, and I am not going to take any sin on my soul. Not for anything, not for the court also. Court की वजह से भी अगर मुझे अपने sin मैं ऐसा कमिट करूं कि मुझे अपनी ओथ को तोड़ना पड़े, तो मैं ऐसा कोई पाप नहीं करने वाला ना, नॉट फॉर एनीवन and not for the sake of mercy, not the sake for the court of justice, किसी के लिए भी नहीं. Then Portia says, why this bond is fortified, and lawfully by this the Jew make claim. And why this means, well, this bond is for forfeit, means the penalty mentioned in this bond is due. And lawfully by this the Jew may claim upon her. And according to the, she reads out the law, and that she says that yes, according to the this bond, the Jew has to take the penalty if he is not able to pay. To be by him cut off nearest the merchant's heart. She reads out the bond, उसमें लिखा था कि वो merchant के हाथ के पास का flesh लेगा. Be merciful, take thrice the money, bid me tear the bond. And she says कि तो मतलब how awful and how merciless is this कि तुम उसके हार्ट के पास के का फ्लैश लोगे, so better take thrice money of it and just leave the bond, tear off the bond. खत्म करो बॉन्ड को, फाड़ दो ये बॉन्ड के पेपर को, और take money and forget about the bond, tear off the bond. Shylock, when it is paid according to the tenure, he says no, this will not be done. ये बॉन्ड तभी फटेगा, तभी वो होगा जब मुझे मेरी डिमांड की पेनाल्टी मिलेगी, तभी ये बॉन्ड मेरा चेंज होगा, तभी ये बॉन्ड का पेपर फटेगा या हटेगा. This is what Shylock says. It doth appear you are worthy judge. Then he says, you seem to be an impartial judge. Means you seem to be an impartial judge. You know the law, your exposition. You knowing the law and applying it. If you are a partial judge. अभी तुमने थोड़ी देर पहले कहा कि Venice change नहीं हो सकता, फिर तुम अभी ये कह रहे हो, मतलब treating him as a male member. He says that कि अभी तो तुम वो कह रहे थे, अब तुम ये कह रहे हो, so you know the laws, so you are not going to change it. You know the law, your exposition hath been most sound, and you are applying it effectively. तुम सब कुछ कर रहे हो, तो फिर there is no chance of changing the law. I change you by the law, and I hope you are not going to change any of the law, and you are going to give me the justice effectively. Whereof you are a well-deserving pillar. Means well-deserving pillar means you are a worth member. Means you are an intelligent person, and you know that the court is not going to change. So I also am not going to. If the court cannot change the law, so here also I'm not going to take any of the money. I'm not going to tear off the bond unless and until I am not getting the exact what I want written in the bond. Proceed to judgment. By my soul, I swear there is no power in the tongue of a man to alter me. I stay here on my bond. और उसने कहा कि किसी भी शख्स में इतनी, किसी के शख्स की जबान में इतनी ताकत नहीं है जो मुझे बदल दे या बॉन्ड को बदल दे. Means whatever I want my bond. This is what Shylock says. Shylock, since starting of Act 4, he was adamant about the bond. He take the penalty and is not ready to change himself. This is all due because the full hatred for Antonio is not required. That from Ponderley सिर्फ अपनी thirst of revenge को वो satisfy करने के लिए he was adamant and he was not ready to change the bond. Then Antonio, most heartedly, means I wholeheartedly, I do beseech, I pray the court to give the judgment. And whereas Antonio very politely, calmly, he was ready to give himself, and he was ready to die for his friend. Portia, why then thus it is? You must prepare your bosom for his knife. And she said, okay then, if you're ready, then be ready with your bosom, means be ready your chest for that bond of flesh. Shylock, oh noble judge, oh excellent young man, and he feels very happy when the person, the Portia says that yes, okay, then be ready with your pound of flesh from your heart. So, and Shylock feels very happy that his revenge is going to be fulfilled now. Then Portia said, for the intent and purpose of the law, intent meaning and the scope of law, hath full relation to thy penalty, which here appears due upon the bond. And he says that now with full means and scope, there is the purpose of law. The law का purpose है वो full mean, and there is no means there is no change in the law. So according to the law, according to the scope of law, it fully implies that that the person has to take the bond, the flesh from your body, and to fulfill his bond. So he said, due upon the bond by this agreement, इस पे ये due है, तो तुम अपने ready रहो and give the flesh. Shylock, this very true. Then he said, that is very true. Oh wise and upright judge. Upright means here stands for honest judge. जब पर्शिया कहती है कि ठीक है बॉन्ड के हिसाब से तुमको अपना, तो तुम रेडी रहो, and because according to the bond you have to give this, so you have to be ready to give a pound of flesh from your from your heart. Then Shylock feels, oh, this is very honest, and he again feels happy. How much says that and then how much more elder art thou than by looks, means you are much wiser than one would expect. मतलब तुमको देख के ऐसा नहीं लगता you are so such an intelligent, जितना तुम wise दिख रहे हो उससे कहीं ज्यादा तुम wise हो. Then he said how much more elder art thou than thy looks, means you are looking much wiser. What you means you look wiser, but you are more than that. What are you looking? Portia, therefore lay bare your bosom, means then you lay bare means uncover your chest and just get ready for the bond. Shiloh, I this his breast, so says the bond, doth it not, noble judge? And then he says that yeah, that is his chest part which he is going to cut off, and so says the bond. That is what the bond says. So does it not, so noble judge, does it not say that I have to take the bond from his, but it's clearly written in the bond that I have to take the part of his chest nearest his heart. Those are the very words, and these are the exact words is written, that the flesh which I'll be taking would be very near to his heart. Portia, it is so, and there the balance here to weigh the flesh. And he says, okay, fine, take the blood. Do you have a weighing machine to weigh the pound of flesh? Means the flesh which you are going to take it off, are you going to have a weighing machine to weigh? So Shiloh says, yes, I am ready with them. Portia says, have by some surgeon Shylock on your charge to stop his wounds, lest he too bleed to death. He said, okay, if you have a weighing machine, do you have a doctor? Do you have a person over here? Because after you're taking a pound of flesh, I don't want that he should die because of bleeding. So you need to have a, to stop his wound means to stop that person from bleeding. Do you arrange a doctor over here? So Shylock said, it is so nominated in the bond. He said, oh, why is it mentioned in the bond? कि मुझे एक डॉक्टर भी अरेंज करना पड़ेगा for this. Is it laid down means is there mentioned in the bond? Portia said, it is not so expressed. No, it is not laid down. It's not written in the bond. But what of that? He were good, you do much for charity. लेकिन क्या तुम चैरिटी के लिए ऐसा कर सकते हो? मतलब तुमको अपना बॉन्ड मिल जाए और एक डॉक्टर अरेंज कर दो on your own expenses. You need to have a doctor on your own expenses so that he the bone जहाँ से तुमने उसका pound of flesh लिया वो bleed करके मर ना जाए, तो you need to have a doctor also. So Shylock says, is not mentioned in the bond. She said, no, it's not mentioned in the bond, but in the name of kindness. To where good you do some of your charity. It is for good that you should do something out for kindness, which for charity. So merciful nahi ho sakta, but can you be kind enough so that he should not die because of bleeding? Chala, I cannot find it. This not in the bond. So he said, no, I don't have, and even I have not arranged for it because it is not in the condition in the bond. There is no such condition written in the bond that I have to arrange a doctor. Portia, come merchant, have you anything to say? And then she says to Antonio that come merchant means he could call Antonio forward for that bond. Antonio, but little I am armed and well prepared. He said, okay, I'm ready. Armed means I'm ready and I'm well prepared for the bond. Give me your hand, Bassanio. And he asks for hand of Bassanio. He holds the hand of Bassanio. Farewell you. And he says, and he gives a farewell to Bassanio, saying goodbye to Bassanio. Grieve not that I am fallen to this for you. And he said, don't be upset that I am dying because of you. Grieve not that I am fallen to this for you, for herein fortune shows herself more. Fortune means here किस्मत. वो यहाँ पे कहना चाह रहा है that my fortune shows being मेरी किस्मत मेरे पे ज्यादा मेहरबान है. मेरी किस्मत बहुत अच्छी है. तुम ये मत सोचना कि मैं तुम्हारी वजह से मर रहा हूँ, but I feel that कि मेरी किस्मत बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी है. For herein fortune shows herself more kind than in her custom. जो normally फॉर्चून लोगों के साथ करती है, जो हर की लोगों की किस्मत में होती, मेरी किस्मत मेरे साथ है. मेरी किस्मत इज मोर काइंड टू मी. It is still her used to let the French man outlive his birth. मतलब किसी कोई इंसान जब बहुत गरीब हो जाता है, वो बूढ़ा होने के मरने लगता है, उसकी आंख के नीचे झुर्रियां पड़ जाती है और वो इसी ग्रीफ में मरता रहता है कि उसके पास कुछ नहीं है. एटलीस्ट मेरे को ऐसा सिचुएशन मेरे साथ नहीं होगा. मेरी किस्मत मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छी है कि मुझे बुढ़ापे तक रोना नहीं पड़ेगा कि मैं आई एम गोइंग टूवर्ड द पॉवर्टी लाइन. मैं एक पॉवर्टी में अपनी जिंदगी गुजार रहा हूँ क्योंकि आई एम अ बैंकरप्ट और मेरे पास कुछ नहीं बचा, तो मेरे जीने का भी कोई मकसद नहीं. बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव, तो सारी जिंदगी ये सोच सोच के मरना कि मैं एक गरीबी की जिंदगी जीने से अच्छा कि मैं आज के आज अपने फ्रेंड के लिए मर जाऊं. So here he says, for him fortune shows herself more kind than in her custom, जो कि वो normally fortune करती है. It is still her use to let the wrenched man outlive his wealth, to view with hollow eyes means आंखों में झुर्रियां पड़ जाना, means wrinkle पड़ जाना, आपकी आंखें, hollow eyes means when a person is very old, उसकी आंखें धंस जाती हैं. तो he is giving an example, hollow eyes and wrinkled brow, an age of poverty from with lingering finance, and suffering from all the poverty at that age. कम से कम मैं इन सब चीजों से बच गया हूँ, और मैं अगर मरता हूँ तो मुझे खुशी है इस बात से कि मैं आई एम डाइंग फॉर माई फ्रेंड, एंड आई एम बिन रियलाइज दैट कि मेरे पास अब कुछ नहीं बचा, तो एक गरीबी की जिंदगी और बुढ़ापे तक उस गरीबी की जिंदगी को जीने से अच्छा, उस बुढ़ापे तक अपनी लाइफ को ढोने से अच्छा, आई एम गोइंग टू finish off my life over here, and I'm very happy for it. At least मुझे वो सब बुढ़ापे तक उतना झेलना नहीं पड़ेगा, वो सारी चीजें मुझे परेशान नहीं करेंगे. I'll be safe from all these sufferings. Penance means lingering, penance means prolonged suffering. Of such misery doth she cut off. और जो मैं ये मतलब जो लाइफ में काटूंगा वो इन सब चीजों से मैं बच गया. मिजरी मीन्स सारी बर्बादी जो मुझे बुढ़ापे तक लेके जाती, आई विल बी सेफ. एटलीस्ट भगवान ने मुझे, किस्मत ने मुझे उन सब चीजों से स्पेयर कर दिया है. Commend me to your honorable wife. Commend means convey my respect, means give my respect to your wife, your honorable wife. Tell her the process of Antonio Zen, and tell her the way I am, the how I died, why I am dying. Tell her everything. Give all explanations to her. Say how I loved you. Speak me fair in death, and tell your wife that how much I loved you. I loved you so much that I am happily giving off my life for you, for my friend. And स्पीक मी फेयर, मेरी हर अच्छी बात, मेरे मरने के बाद मेरी हर अच्छी बात जो अच्छी है वो सब उसे बताएं. टेल हर एवरीथिंग अबाउट मी. एंड व्हेन द टेल इज टोल्ड बिड हर बी द जज. एंड जब तुम पूरी स्टोरी बता दोगे, टेल हर टू दैट, गिव दैट शी एक्ट लाइक अ जज. वो एक जज की तरह एक्ट करेगी जब तुम मेरे बारे में उसे बताओगे, मेरी सारी स्टोरी बताओगे और मेरे हर बातों को उसको बताओगे. जब बताने के बाद, जब when you will end with my story, ask her to be the judge. Bid her be judge whether Bassanio had once, not once a love. Has Bassanio once means क्या, as Bassanio had got a very lovable friend. No, whether Bassanio had not once a love. Repent not you that you shall lose your friend. Repent not you that you shall lose your friend, and he repents not that he pays you. So please do not repent that you have lost your friend, और मैंने मेरी वजह से मतलब तुम्हारी वजह से मैं मरा, प्लीज इसके लिए तुम कभी रिपेंट मत करना. डोंट रिग्रेट दैट आई एम डाइंग बिकॉज ऑफ यू. And he depends that, and even and I am also not regretting that I am dying because I am paying your debt. Means I am happy that I have come, मैं अपने फ्रेंड के काम आ सका. I could help out my friend at the last moment of my life, and I am giving of my life. I helped my friend, so please do not regret. Neither you regret that I am left my life, I am dying because of you, nor I have any regression that I am dying because of you. So we both do not have any kind of regression for each other. For if the Jew do cut but deep enough, I will pay it instantly with all my heart. And if the Jew cut my pound of flesh from my body, and I'm very happy that I have given the pound of flesh for my friend, so that my friend is a happy person left behind after my death. So I'm just pausing at myself till 290. Do you have any sort of question? Giving his life, neither you regret that I'm giving my life. So both of you, and tell your wife that I was a very good friend of you, and everything he says about himself. In response to this, Bassanio says, Antonio, I am married to a wife. He says that I am married to a wife which is as dear as me, as dear to me as life itself. वो मेरे लिए जितनी मेरी जिंदगी प्यारी है मेरे लिए, उतनी मेरी wife is lovable for me. But in life itself, my wife and all the world are not with me esteemed above thy life. Means all are I'm very grateful and very lucky to have a wife and a love in my life. But that is not more value than your life. तभी इन सबों की value तुम्हारी life से ज़्यादा नहीं है. So esteemed above thy life means your life is more valuable than whatever I having in my life. Oh, that is more valuable. whatever I have in my life. I would lose all, I sacrifice them all here to this devil to deliver you. And he said, I will sacrifice everything. I'll sacrifice everyone on this devil for you. Or to so that he to save you, I can sacrifice my everything. Means my wife, my love, everything which is very dear to me, but they are not very dear more than you. They don't worthy more than you. So for you, I can give up all these things. I can sacrifice everything for you. Portia was standing over there, as you know. So she says, your wife would give you a little thank for that. She says, if अगर तुम्हारी wife यहाँ होती तो she would have given you a good thank. If she were by to hear you make this offer, before you are making such an offer, your wife would have given you a thank. She was standing over there and she said, and then Graciano says, I have a wife whom I protest I love. She said, I protest means I swear that even I have a wife, and which I protest means I swear that I love her so much. I would, she were in heaven, and she said, I would have, if I would get a chance to ask for a wish, I would have wished that my wife should die, and when she goes, her soul goes to the heaven. There she would have requested some heavenly body and change all these scenario and would have changed and would have saved you. I have a wife whom I protest I love. I would she were in heaven when she would have died, so she could entreat some power to change this curious Jew. So he wished that अगर मैं तो ही सोचता I have a wife and I love her dearly, but I wish कि वो मर जाती and her soul goes to the heaven and there her soul prays to somebody heavenly in the heavenly there have some divine body to change this courage Jew, means this cruel Jew. The little humor added to this. अपनी वाइफ को मरने को कह रहा है लेकिन अपने बारे में नहीं सोच रहा. वो ये नहीं सोच सकता था कि मैं भी मर जाऊं और जाकर हेवनली बॉडी में खाऊं. So which is Nerissa is listening to it. So Nerissa says this will offer is behind her back. तो कहता thankfully you are asking this offer behind her back. मतलब उसके पीठ पीछे तुम ये बात कह रहे हो. The wish would make else an unquiet household. और ऐसा होता अगर वो यहाँ पर होती तो शायद तुम्हारी लाइफ काफी डिस्टर्ब हो जाती अगर वो ये बात सुनती that you wish that your wife would die. So there is a little humor added. मतलब I'm adding a humor to it. कि ग्रेशियानियो खुद भी तो कह सकता था ना कि I wish I would have died and would have prayed the heavenly body and to save you from this. So this is showing Graciano showing extra love, means because they love their more than their life, they love their wife. So they are ready to give the life of their wife. So this shows a deep love फॉर एंटोनियो. ग्रेशियानियो और बेसानियो की जिंदगी अपनी खुद की जिंदगी से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट उनकी वाइफ की लाइफ थी. So they are sacrificed. Means here stands that they can sacrifice their wife, the things which they love the most. They can sacrifice their life for Antonio. This is what here it is. Well, Shylock said, "This be the Christian husbands. I have a daughter." This means these are the Christian husbands. I have a daughter. Now he started repenting about her daughter. Would any of the stock of Barabbas? He said, "I wish she would have married up. Barabbas is a kind of is a notorious criminal. It's written here. And the king of the Jew as a Jew, there is a notorious criminal. तो वो कहता है कि उस notorious Barabbas से वो शादी कर लेती, लेकिन उसने एक Christian से शादी कर ली. Would any of the stock of Barabbas? So Barabbas की किसी criminal से शादी कर ले, Barabbas की किसी उससे करती, but she had married to a Christian. Had been her husband rather than a Christian. अगर मैं उसके Barabbas कम्युनिटी का कोई इंसान होता, कोई क्रिमिनल नोटोरियस क्रिमिनल होता, मैं उसे एक्सेप्ट कर लेता, बट शी मैरिड टू अ क्रिश्चियन. We trifle time, I pay the pursue sentence. And then he says that, so now we trifle time, that we are wasting our time. I pray the pursue sentence. Please let proceed the further proceeding of the courts. Now, Persia, a pound of that same merchant's flesh is thine. The court awards it and the law doth give it. And then she says that the pound of flesh, now merchant's flesh की pound of flesh तुमको देने की तैयारी हो रही है, means we are ready for this and the court awards it to you. And now court is ready to give the penalty and to pay you the penalty. And then Shylock says, most rightful judge. So I'm stopping over here. We'll continue from the next page, next class. I'm putting out the date over here. So any query